How to lock apps on iPhone with Face ID and passcode. To get started, first of all go ahead and find the app you wish to lock on your home screen. For this video, I will be using the Google Photos app as an example. Long press on the app icon to bring up a list of quick actions. From the menu that appears, find and select the Require Face ID option. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you want to require Face ID for the app. Tap on Require Face ID to confirm your choice. This feature adds an extra layer of security, ensuring only you can access the app's content. Now, when you try to open the app, it will prompt you for Face ID authentication. As you can see, the app is now locked and requires your face to open. Following these steps, you can easily lock apps on an iPhone with Face ID and passcode. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.